We have hitherto did some exercise 3.1 and later we have example 6 to 10 in trigonometric ratios and class 11 mathematics. Let's read. You should have an idea about the following. Sin x is 0. Sin x 0 అంటే x0 ఉండొచ్చు, x5 ఉండొచ్చు, x2 ఉండొచ్చు, x3 ఉండొచ్చు. So generally we write like x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z, and n can start from 0. Put 0, x becomes 0. Sin 0 is 0. Similarly, if cos x is 0, then x equal to 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. That means n pi plus pi by 2. These two things you have to remember on your own. Sometimes they will ask. You have to note that there is a shortcut to remember the signs of sines and cos. All silver teacups. This is first quadrant. 0 to 90 is first quadrant. 90 to 180 is second quadrant. Then 180 to 270 is third quadrant. 270 to 360. That becomes again 0. This line can be 0 or 360. So I have written like this. 360 comes back as 0. Here that is 360 and also 0. Sin minus theta. Suppose minus theta undanukondi. Sin minus theta. You can write this as sin 0 minus theta or sin 360 minus theta. Sin 360 minus theta రాస్తే ఎక్కడ ఉన్నట్టు ఇక్కడ 360 ఇది దాంట్లోంచి theta తీసేసామంటే ఈ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉన్నట్టు. In this quadrant. In this quadrant, only cos are positive, sines are negative. So sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Sin 360 minus theta is again sin theta, right? And what about sine? It is in third quadrant, where sines are negative, minus sin theta. So this is cos minus theta is cos 360 minus theta. Cos 360 minus theta in third quadrant is plus cos theta. So sine is gets minus sine, cos is getting plus sine, automatically tan gets minus sine, sine by cos. After remembering these things, so we will go into examples, right? Example 6. Cos x is minus 3 by 5. X lies in third quadrant. There is a question. And we have to find all other trigonometric ratios, find values of all other trigonometric functions. Draw a triangle to suit the given data. Cos x minus 3 by 5. Ignore this minus 3 by 5. Cos x is 3 by 5. Adjacent side of a triangle is 3 by 5 given. And hypotenuse is given as 5. Draw the triangle. If this is 5 and this is 3, this must be 5 square minus 3 square root of 4. So this is 3, 4, 5 triangle. So you can draw all trigonometric ratios from this triangle numerically. And you will assign signs, minus or plus, based on the quadrant he has given. X lies in third quadrant, he says. I told you all silver teacups, only tangents are positive here. Sine negative, cos negative. So cos x is 3 by 5 with minus sine. Sine is 4 by 5 with minus sine. There should be minus sign there. So sin x is minus 4 by 5. Since x is in third quadrant, where only tans are positive. Cosecant x is minus 5 by 4. Sin x minus 4 by 5. If you invert the fraction, you will get cosecant x. Similarly, if you invert cos x, you will get secant x. Secant x. Then tan x. Tan x is sin x by cos x. Minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3 by 5. That is plus 4 by 2. So we calculated, and similarly tan x is 4 by 3 gives you cot x is 3 by 4, right? It's very easy. We calculate values of trigonometric ratios with the help of the triangle. Values of trigonometric ratios use this triangle. Okay? And then assign the sign and decide positive or negative signs using position of the angle in the first quadrant given in the problem. This method is easy. Because the other method is you have to use those formulas. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So if you know sin x, we can get cos x. That's a bit difficult. Example 7. Cot x equal to minus 5 by 12. X lies in second quadrant, he says. Cot x negative. That means tans are negative. Tans are negative in second quadrant and also fourth quadrant. In third quadrant, first quadrant, tans are positive. So cot x negative means it must be in second quadrant or in fourth quadrant. It is in the problem. It is given that it is lies in second quadrant. Okay. So we draw the triangle. Cot x is minus 5 by 12. That means adjacent side is 5, opposite side is 12. This is x. Cot x is minus 5 by 12. That implies tan x is invert the ratio. Now B. What is sin x? Sin x is opposite side 12 by hypotenuse 13. 12 by 13 plus or minus. Plus gani minus gani. But how do we decide? We decide from the quadrant. It is in second quadrant, signs are positive. So it is plus 12 by 3. 12 by 13. Since sin x is 12 by 13, cosecant x will be its inversion. Now cos x. Cos x from the triangle is adjacent side 5 by 13. 5 by 13. What about sine? It is second quadrant, cos are negative. So cos x is minus 5 by 13. And secant x is minus 13 by 5. Likewise, example 8. Find the value of sine 31 pi by 3. This angle 31 pi by 3 is a big angle. But it will be multiple of 2 pi's. So for example, you take 10 pi. 10 pi plus pi by 3. That will give you 31 pi by 3. So we write sine 31 by 3 pi as sine 10 pi plus pi by 3. Why are we writing like this? If it is multiple of 2 pi, sine 2 pi plus anything will become the same angle, sine of same angle. So sine 10 pi plus pi by 3 becomes sine pi by 3. Because one complete circle is 2 pi. There are 5 2 pi's there. How many times it rotates? We don't bother. Sine 2n pi plus theta is sine theta. I'll write here. Sine 2n pi plus theta is sine theta. Here sine 2 times 5 pi plus pi by 3 sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. That is the answer. Example 9. Find the value of cos minus 1710. You know 10 pi means 1800 degrees. 10 times 180 in degrees. 10 times 180 is 1800. Here minus 1710 is 10 pi minus 90. That is what I have written. Because I ignored this minus sign because it's cos. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos of minus 1710 degrees is cos of 1710 degrees, which is equal to 10 pi minus 90 is cos 90 and cos 90 is 0. That is the answer. Mathematics educational channel, please subscribe. Even if you are 10th or 11th or 12th, you should subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.